The jury is out on that high-profile Chick-Fil-A murder trial, but not without an unexpected twist. Just this morning, the state dropped 3 of the 4 charges. News Channel 5's Brian Entin is live at the courthouse tonight, where the jury really could come back at any moment now. Brian?
Shannon, the jury deliberating about 2 hours and just now passing the judge a note that said, can we have a break? We need a break. And that's exactly what they're doing right now at the courthouse behind me. The state dropping all but the murder charge this morning, and the rest of the day today has been spent on closing arguments until about 3 o'clock. Prosecutors focusing on the brutal way the 18-year-old Chick-fil-A employee Nicholas McGrath died, tied to a chair and shot execution style back in 1999 at the Palm Beach Lakes Mall. Prosecutors say handwriting and DNA connect Jesse Miller to the crime, but the defense has said over the past couple of weeks that the state is desperate and doesn't have the evidence it needs.
The bullet penetrated his scalp, his skull, his brain, and exited in front.
Certainly, a crime such as this deserves to be redressed, and those guilty need to be punished. But it is meaningless unless the right individuals are punished. And Jesse Miller is not the right individual.
Now, this is Miller's 3rd trial in McGrath's murder. He was arrested after the 1999 murder, but prosecutors later dropped the charges, and then he was rearrested in 2007, but that trial ended in a mistrial. Obviously, we're going to stay here. Anything can happen. We don't know if there will be a verdict coming tonight or tomorrow. What we do know is that obviously that jury needed a break. They should be going back in and going back into the room shortly. Live in West Palm Beach, Brian Entin, WPTV News Channel 5.